Hello guys and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to add payment methods in Shopify Store. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser and go to myshopify.com and make sure you log in with your account as well. Once you are in the internet browser website, click on Settings on the lower left, the one with the gear icon, and then once you're here, click on Payments. Once you are in Payments, you will see an option there that says Payment Providers and click on the button that says Choose a Provider. In here, you can go back and then scroll down. In here, you can also add a manual payment method. Tap on the button or the drop down. And then in here, you can create your own custom payment method or either a bank deposit. These are all the other payment outlets and portals available over at Shopify Store. Once you click on Add Payments Method, you can now search for anything. Could be Stripe, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Diners Club, or JCB, depending on what payment method you want to be added in your Shopify store. From here, just choose one as to whichever one you like and prefer over at your store. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.